In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Chrome sync data. This process is straightforward but crucial for anyone looking to clear their browsing data from Google's servers, whether for privacy reasons or simply to start fresh. It's an essential skill for managing your digital footprint effectively. So let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. This might be a step you do automatically, but it's important to ensure you're signed in to the correct Google account whose sync data you wish to delete. Now, in the address bar at the top of your browser, type in the URL chrome.google.com/sync and hit enter. This will direct you to the sync page where your data is any stored information linked to your Google account, such as bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. Once the sync page has loaded, you'll need to locate the Clear Data button. To find this, simply scroll down the page. It might take a moment to spot it, especially if you haven't visited this page before, but it's usually right there amidst other sync options. This button is your gateway to erasing all the synced data that's been stored. After finding the Clear Data button, go ahead and click on it. This action prompts Google Chrome to bring up a confirmation window, asking if you really want to proceed with deleting your sync data. It's always a good idea here to take a moment and be absolutely sure that you want to clear your data, as this action cannot be undone. Once your decision is made, you'll see options like Clear or Reset and Clear Up. Click on the option that's presented. Doing so will confirm your choice and begin the process of deleting your sync data from Google's servers. Deleting your sync data is a great way to ensure your information stays private and your digital life is as clean as you want it to be. If you're troubleshooting sync issues or adjusting your browser setup, this is an ideal step to take for a fresh start. Remember, however, that deleting sync data does not erase the data from your local device. It simply removes it from Google's servers. Today, we've covered everything you need to know about clearing your Google Chrome sync data. By following these steps, you can feel confident that your data is being handled just the way you want. Whether you're taking precautions for privacy reasons or simply aiming for a tidier digital space, knowing how to manage your sync data is an important part of modern internet use. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.